Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. This is teacher Mini. Last session we had discussed about transformation of shapes. Today I would like to start a new topic, probability. Okay, so we can start. So probability is a chance getting impossible to certain. There are 5 names are there. So, okay, 0 to 1. You can see the probability scale. It is written there 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. So, probability is always lies in between 0 and 1, impossible and certain. And the same way we can write the probability in fraction, decimal, percentage. Any way we can write. Okay, so some examples are there here. Rolling a 7 on a die. It's an impossible. So we can write this an impossible chance. Getting head or a tail. There's only 50-50 chance. Only 2 faces are there. So you will get 1 bite. Okay, then the sun will rise in the morning. It's a certain. Okay, it's probability scale start with 0 and with 1. It's always between 0 and 1. And this is the words we are using in the probability for chance, getting a chance. How we can write the probability outcomes? Okay, so you can see what is the favorable outcomes and what is the possible outcomes. For example, what is the probability of rolling a number 2 on the dice? What is the favorable outcome? That means which number is asked to find out. That is 2. Okay, so you will get one face. How many possible outcomes are there? There are 6 outcomes. So this is 1 by 6. Okay, so here again explaining the probability scale, impossible to certain. Some examples are written there. The number 9 is rolled on the dice. You know that it is coming in impossible, 0. And even number. In the dice there are 6 and half of them are even number. So it will come 1 by 2. The score is less than 5. Less than 5 means you will 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number you will get. It's okay, it's coming. More chance. It's okay, 2 by 3. The number is 2 or 6. There is a 2 chance. Okay, it is, you can write it 1 by 3. The number is not 3. That means you can take all the 5 numbers, not 3. So it will get 5 by 6. So this is the way we can write the possible in a fraction form, probability form. Okay, so some explanations, definitions are there. To find the probability of a single event, we need to find out the number of ways in which that event can occur. That means the event occur, that is the first part. Then we divide that number by the total number of ways in which the experiment can occur. That would give us the required probability. There are 2 ways, experimental probability and theoretical probability. Experimental probability will say number of trials, and experimental probability is talking about the sample space. The method we are writing the same. You can see one spinner is there, written there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is, what is the probability of spinning a 4? Only 1 4 is written there, so the probability is first occurring is 1, and there are 5 outcomes are there, so 1 by 5. Okay, you can see here some red and blue buttons in the back, and the total button is here 8. The question is probability of getting red. There are 5 red buttons are there, so you can write 5 by 8. Okay, so some words. The mathematics, it is written in a cards and spread it on the back. Okay, so we have to take a letter. The question is, what is the probability that he chooses the letter A? So for that one, you must know what is the total letters. So please count it. Yes, you got 11. And think about the letter which one we need. A. How many A? Okay, so the probability of getting A is equal to 2 by 11. 11 numbers are there and 2 A's are there, so 2 by 11. Okay, we can say one spinner. The question is this, use the spinner to find the theoretical probability. Some questions are there. Probability a number not more than 5. Not more than 5 means you can't take 6, 7 and 8. You can take the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can take 5 also. Okay, so the probability of getting 5 not more than 5 is equal to 5 by 8. Even numbers, you can very easily find the even numbers. It's the black and white spinner. The white part is, it is written here, the even number. So how many? 4. 4 by 8. Can write the simplest form. Okay, next one is less than 3. Less than 3, we have here 2 numbers, 2 by 8. Here some, what is this? Smarties, okay, gems. You can see some gems are there and you have to find the total. So counting the totals, you will get 20 Smarties are there. And which one we need? One only, the brown one. So brown we have 4. So 4 by 20, the simplest form is 1 by 5. Here the two spinners A and B are spun and the score are added together. This is, we have to complete the sample space diagram. Okay, so this is the sample space diagram. You are familiar in class 8 onwards. We know how to complete the sample space diagram. According to the operation, we have to complete the diagram. It is the operation is added together. That means plus. You can write the numbers on right and column wise and row wise and please add the together. The first one you will get 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so next one 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 4. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5. Okay. After this finishing sample space diagram, you have to answer the remaining questions. What is the probability of scoring a total of 2? 2 only is coming in the first one. Look at the, okay, so you can, and before that you have to find what is the total outcomes. What is the total outcomes are there here? By adding these 3 sections, red, blue and green, you will get 18. Okay, and the probability of getting 2 we can see only 3 2s. Okay, 3 by 18. Next question, even number. So, you have to check the even number. You will get 10 by 80. You can count it later. The next one is multiple of 3. So, please count the multiples of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6. Okay. So, you will get 6 by 80. Okay, again one more spinner is there. It is 7 sections. It is given that the spinner has a 7 equal sections. What is the probability of scoring? 4. You can see here the spinner. It is not in a correct number. Consecutive numbers not there. Only the number is writing in a separate way. So you can see here 2 4s are there. Your answer is 2 by 7. An even number. Which are the even number? 4 come 2 times and 8. That means 3. 3 by 7. And what is the prime number? Prime is coming 7 and 3. 1 is not prime and 9 is also not prime, so you will get 2 by 7. Okay, so here some bolts are there, so numbers are written there. According to the number, we have to complete 5 questions. Okay, so probability of getting a number 17. Have a look, 17. Okay, so no, 17 is the and even number. So count the even number fast. Okay, so 9 numbers you can get it, and the prime numbers. Prime number 11, 31 and 19. So 3. Factor of 20. That is, you can see here 4, 10 and 20. Only 3 numbers are there. Okay, then multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 start with 15, 45, again 40, 20 and 10. It's okay, I think 5 numbers. Okay, this is the way we are writing the probability. Okay, so it is very easy number, no need to explain. You can find, first of all, find the total of the experiment and write that one. White is 9, green is 8, red. There is no red, that's why 0. And not blue. Not blue means you can remove the blue, other you can take white and green. So total is 17. Here also we can see some cards and the spinner. Okay, so P of selecting a vowel from the cards. That is 2 vowels E and A. And what is the total here? 7. So 2 by 7. And look at the spinner, we need the vowels also. In the spinner, okay, you can see A and E. Okay, that is 2. And what is the total here? It's 6. So 2 by 6. 1 by 3 is the simplest form. And next question, both letters are vowels. So from this section, you have to take the both. So 2 by 7 multiply 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 21. Okay. Here there is some counters in the back. It is red, green, yellow and blue, and the probability they are writing in the box. Okay, in the first section of this video, I told you, the probability we can write in a fraction, decimal and percentage. So here they are written as a fraction form, sorry, decimal form. You can write complete this one, and it is always start with a 0 to 1. The total will be 1. The probability of one question, the total will be 1. So, okay, 0 0.3, 0 0.7, 0 0.1, blue is empty. So, work out the probability of the counter being blue. Okay, you just add all together and how much number we need to get 1. That is 0.2. Okay, next one, the combination of red or green, the first 2. So, you will get 0.7. Okay, so another question, it's a sample space diagram. 2 dice are the red and blue. Complete the table and then complete the questions. Already we done same like the sample space diagram. Look at that, then you can complete that. The next one is also a 2 table. You can complete the table here and complete the remaining questions. This is also the 2 questions for you to practice. Probability first part is over. Hope you all understand this topic. You will get worksheet on Google Classroom. Please solve it and then send it. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.